is a very good morning because I'm out and I'm riding my Brompton after almost 20 days. Yes, I was on vacation, but I couldn't enjoy it because in the last week of 2021, I got COVID. The new ones, the Omicron, it's lighter, but you do have a high fever, you do have headache, everything aches. So yes, I stay a whole week at home. In New Year's Eve, I was asleep because I was so tired. But things happen, you know. Oh, and the day I got fine, I did the test and that was negative. Rain for 4 days in a row. So what I'm trying to tell you is that after we've been to that, stay home, can't go out, that's the first day I ride my Brompton and I miss it so much. And it's interesting because after you get sick like this, you start to value things that you take for granted, like this beautiful, beautiful lake. I always like it, but now I see with a different eye because there's a lot of nature, there's a bird, there's a lot of nature, there's a lot of beautiful places, so many sports that you can practice here, and I want to share with you. Yes, I know, it'll be a simple video, but I think we have to we have to pay attention to the surroundings, to nature, to those beautiful places that we have around us. And if you do have a lake near your city, ask the mayor to do a bike path. Every lake should have a bike path because there's a lot of animals, a lot of birds, we have different animals here. And they're so nice to watch it, to see it, Well, it's a small video, it's a short video, but it's a video celebrating life. life, health, and friendship. Friendship and family, that's the most important things that we have. And for that, we need health. And the best way after eating well to get good health is riding a bicycle. And if you do ride a bicycle to your work, oh, it's amazing. It's amazing how people stay much fitter, much better, and the health gets a lot better when you ride your bicycle. And you're wondering, how did I get it? Was a day that I played 4 hours of tennis, then went to this party, and then I had, we lost very important people in the family, and we had to go to church and everything. So keep it up, keep your immune system strong. That's what I'll tell you. And let's enjoy life, because it goes so fast, life, you know. So let's enjoy it. Hope you like it. It's a very small video, and hope you like this beautiful view. It's marvelous, and especially with the sun out. Ah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's enjoy life.